Welcome! It's a great day to be a miner because we got some new hardware, baby. We're gonna unbox this thing, set it up, tell you about the specs, the features, how much it costs, and where you can get it. But first, let's go ahead and spin that intro. All right, before we open this up, full disclaimer, this item was provided to us from Bitcoin merch, but this is not a paid video, and that means we can say whatever we want about the following product. So without further ado, you know what time it is, baby. RGB knife. Never gets old. All right, so let's open this thing up. Man, I almost sliced my finger off. Old RGB knife got a little antsy on me, got a little squirrely. All right, let's open it up and just see exactly what's in the box.
What's in the box?
It's not really a box. It is what it is. It's not a box though, so it's packaged, but we're gonna open it up anyway. We actually got this for quite a while ago, and it's been sitting here, and we've been waiting to try to get this, actually get some time, some bandwidth to get to this one. But, all right. Okay, so first and foremost, a lot of times you buy something from Bitcoin merch, they'll include this with it. This is Venezuelan money. It's $1,000 in Venezuelan money. We're rich, baby. Or we're not rich. It says, this is real Venezuelan Bolivar fiat bill. Governments and banks are printing unlimited money, making fiat currency useless. Check out our Bitcoin miners at bitcoinmerch.com. Again, very smart advertising when they started doing this, because this is probably less than a penny of value. So pretty neat though. What else is in here? We got our power cord, which is just a USB-A to USB-C. So this uses USB-C. Inside we have a little card with a Bitcoin merch sticker and a real Bitcoin? Yeah, real metal Bitcoin. We'll probably add that to our giveaway pile. So we'll set that over there. Now let's look at our cute little case. This thing came packaged very nicely. It's in its own little individual case with bubble wrap inside. Open this guy up. And here it is. What is it, you ask? What is it? I hear you barking, big dog. This is a Gold Nugget Bitcoin solo miner. So this little guy can make you rich, right? Rich. Probably not, but there's a chance. This thing can earn up to 3.125 Bitcoin by solving a Bitcoin block on the SHA-256 algorithm. But yeah, it's a solo miner. You plug it in, you hook it up, you let it run. And let's go over the specs and the features of this thing. And then of course we'll set it up and go over all that. All right, let's pop a picture of this thing and the official listing up on the screen, and it says, join the race of solo mining, 3.125 Bitcoin by yourself. This is the Gold Nugget Miner 2025 edition. The listing shows the cost is currently $59.99 Bitcoin merch. They are US based, so it ships really quickly and pretty efficiently. It says that it was $120, marked down to $60. And now let's go over the description of this thing. Introducing the ultimate plug-and-play all-in-one solo Bitcoin miner with Wi-Fi, RGB LEDs, and live Bitcoin price ticker. It says that there's a chance to win 3.125 BTC every 10 minutes, because that's the block rate that's going. Plug in, set it, and forget it. USB-C, 1 watt. So it only uses 1 watt. That's pretty awesome, right? No electric cost on this guy at all. And it says designed, assembled, and shipped from California. That is where Bitcoin merch is stationed at, and they actually have a actual physical store. Unlike a lot of these online businesses, they have a physical storefront. If you're in that area in California, go check them out. Just tell them your boy Altered sent you. So the price on this guy, again, one is $60. They actually have a multi-miner setup where a bunch of these are all in one dock, which is kind of interesting. Now let's go over the official description. The Gold Nugget Lottery Miner is a convenient zero-effort Bitcoin mining device that lets you generate fresh lottery tickets, scratch those lottery tickets, every 10 minutes for the full Bitcoin block reward worth $350,000 at today's prices. I get that. Depends on the current Bitcoin price. It runs automatically 24/7 with no setup, no effort required. Unlike actual lottery tickets, this is not a one-time gamble. The Gold Nugget Miner is your long-term companion in the race. Aw, we all want to nice companion, someone to give us a nice hug and tell us that everything's going to be okay. It's going to be okay, Gold Nugget. The longer it runs, the more entries that you stack. Uses less power than a nightlight. That's right, 1 watt. Okay, here's the great one. For less than the price of a gumball, you'll have a device silently yet rapidly stacking your chances at 3.125 Bitcoin block reward day and night. Zero overheating or fan noise. There's my man. And yeah, it does look pretty sleek when you have a dock full of these things, but all right, so with all that out of the way, let's get this thing set up and get it mining. So physical setup, there's not much to physical setup. You plug this into the wall and you plug it into this. Since this uses such little power, you could plug it into a PC. You could plug it into a standard power strip that has the USB-A plugs, because you're not actually pulling but like 1 watt on this thing. We're just going to plug it into a power strip that has the USB outlet, and we're gonna fire it up. So we're gonna plug in the USB on the side here. Oh yeah, we almost forgot. We should probably do the satisfying peel. You ready? Yeah. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, that looks so much better. That little screen protector was all scratched up. All right, so we're gonna plug this thing in over here and fire it up. All right, so right off the bat, it says NerdMiner 2, and it has a QR code that you can scan for setup. And then it says Wi-Fi SSID, NerdMiner AP, password mine your coins. So that's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to use a mobile device, a phone, a tablet, a laptop that can connect to a Wi-Fi network. We're gonna connect to this device, the SSID that I just read, and then we're gonna use that password to connect to it. So first, let's try scanning the QR code and see what it actually does. It says Wi-Fi, so you can scan the QR code or you can manually go to the Wi-Fi. So we're just gonna scan the QR code, and then it opens our Wi-Fi settings into our mobile device, and it actually instantly connected. So that is awesome. I didn't even have to go search the network. Man, that's so much quicker. Okay, once it connects, I'll pop a picture up on the screen. It'll say connected without internet, and that's fine. That's exactly what we want to do, because this isn't actually broadcasting internet. We're just making a direct connection between the mobile device to this device. So pop that up. Next, we're going to go into the web browser. We're going to open up the web browser and go to 192.168.4.1, and that on our mobile device connected to this, and that will should open up the settings, the GUI for this guy. So we're going to try it and make sure, because that's how pretty much all these mini miners are set up. So I don't expect this to be any different. So we go 192.168.4.1. Okay, yeah, so 192.168.4.1, it opened the Wi-Fi Manager NerdMiner AP. I'll put a screenshot of that. So you've got 4 buttons that when we're in there, it's configure Wi-Fi, info, exit, and update. So obviously, what do we want to do? We want to make this connect to our Wi-Fi network instead of our phone connecting directly to it. So we're going to hit configure Wi-Fi. Now, it will pop up a list of all of the Wi-Fi networks it can see at the top, and then it says SSID and password. You can click one of those and it'll automatically add it, and then you put your password, or you can manually type the SSID that you desire with the password. Make sure that the SSID is exact match and the password is an exact match. And then we're going to go ahead and put ours in there. And then below that they have the pool URL, the port, your Bitcoin address, and a time zone. So what we're going to do, instead of putting that all in, pro tip, before you even start this, a easier way to do this, and I forgot to do it, is to go into your mobile device, copy your Bitcoin address onto your clipboard, copy the pool address and the port onto the clipboard, and then once you get to this step, you literally just paste it in instead of having to backtrack, but either way. So now that we've connected it to our Wi-Fi, we could go ahead and update the pool URL, add our, it's defaulting to publicpool.io, which is a good solo mining pool. It has the port in there. So really all you have to do is paste your address in there if you want to mine to public pool, your Bitcoin address rather. And then you can update your time zone. This says from UTC. It is currently set to 2. I'm pretty sure that's California time. I think that East Coast is actually 5. So I would change that to a 5 so that it actually will display the correct time on the device. And then we'll put our Bitcoin address in here real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and save and then let it reboot. Bam, just like that, we are up and mining. So basically all we did was we connected the phone to that. We went to a web browser, we went to 192.168.4.1. From there we configured the Wi-Fi, we left the pool and the port as it was, so it's on public pool. We went ahead and put in our Bitcoin address dot our worker name. So your Bitcoin address dot, we use dot gold nugget just to identify this is the device that we're mining on. And then we hit save and refresh and it rebooted. It took maybe 2-3 seconds and then it popped up to the screen and it started mining. So what's the hash rate on this thing? It's doing 350 kilahashes. In retrospect, a Bitaxe Gamma does 1.2 terahashes. So it goes kilahashes, 1,000 gigahash, or 1,000 kilohash is a gigahash, 1,000 gigahash is a terahash, and so this is very, very small in the hash rate compared to that of a Bitaxe. But then again, it's $60 compared to $100 for a Bitaxe Gamma. Well, first let's look at the different screens. So there are a number of different screens on here by default. We'll put some pictures up on the screen so that you can see exactly nice and close up. And basically there are 2 little boxes on each side that you can kind of push and hold to switch the screen. Alternatively, on the back you can push the little button to flip the screens. If you just quick tap the boot button, it will also, there's 2 buttons on the back here. You've got a boot and a reset. If you quick tap the boot button, it will switch the screens. You gotta have kind of a fingernail to get in there. And then it will switch. The next screen says clock miner and it shows the clock as your main screen. It shows the Bitcoin price at the top corner, your total hash rate, the difficulty. It actually shows how many workers you have under your address, so that's kind of neat because it says I have 6 workers on this same address, which is kind of cool. So then we'll push the button again and it'll switch to the next screen. This one shows Bitcoin global stats, so it shows the current block height, how many blocks. It shows again the Bitcoin price and the time up in the top corner, and then it shows the total hash rate, 17.6 terahash, and again it says public pool, and then 6 workers. Okay, and then there is the main screen. It says NerdMiner. It shows the Bitcoin price, it's 92,000. It shows the time in the top right corner. It's in military time, so mine says 2145, and then it shows the current hash rate. The current block was the hash rate's 350 kilahashes again. Best difficulty, number of workers on publicpool.io, and the total hash rate. So yeah, this thing is pretty nifty. So let's talk about profitability. Let's talk about cost, where you can buy, and really who this is designed for. So will this ever make you rich? Will this make you money? Probably never make you a cent back, but there is a chance, man. This is great technology. It's fun. It's being part of the blockchain. It's a cool little display to put on your desk or next to your computer. You can use it as a clock while it's doing its thing, hashing away. But yeah, at the price point, it's not too bad. But for me, you know, as a seasoned veteran, I'm gonna say get a Bitaxe Gamma, pay up, and have 1,000 times more likelihood of hitting a block. But this looks cool, right? It's a lot cooler to have on your you know, on your desk than rather to have a awkward little circuit board with a big fan on it chugging along. And this thing uses no power at 1 watt. So it is cool. It is It's a great way to get a new user into the blockchain. Buy one of these for a friend, a sibling, and be like, hey man, get into this, brother. Like, this is how you do it. Go ahead and set it up for them. And it's a pretty quick and easy setup. This is the Bitcoin Merch Gold Nugget. So what about you? Tell us your thoughts on this device down in the comments. Is it worth it or nah? Let us know what you think of this. Let us know what your favorite solo miner is. And I think that about wraps it up for today's video. If you're new to mining, need some help, make sure to join the Misfit Mining Discord. Always plenty of seasoned vets in there willing to help you out. And if you like the video, you know what to do. Smash that like button and subscribe for future content. Thanks for coming along and enjoy the ride. Aw, we all want a nice companion, someone to give us a nice hug and tell us that everything's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay, Gold Nugget.